What's up guys, this is Harshit here and welcome back to our tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a PVC potato launcher. So let's start making. You need a reducer of 4 inch to 2 inch, a 4 inch pipe of 1.5 feet and 2 inch pipe, so 3 to 4 feet. First, we will join reducer and 4 inch pipe with PVC cement. Rub the surface of PVC pipe so we can join them very tightly. So let's rub it. Take PVC cement and apply it to pipe. Apply the PVC cement to pipe and reducer both. So let's apply it. Join them both. Then push from forward. Now take 2 inch pipe and rub it. Now we will have to join to the reducer. So apply PVC cement to both. Now join it and let it dry for 2 to 3 hours in light. Now apply some electric tape to the joints. Now here I have taken a cap for making a hole. The cap will grab the lighter and the gas chamber very tightly. So let's make a hole. Now fit the cap in gas chamber and make a hole so that we can put lighter here. Now we will apply PVC cement or Fevicol. I will give you a description about what materials you required, so you can check the description for all the materials. Now we have the potato launcher. I have decorated it. You can also decorate as you wish. Now put the potato in the barrel, push it from another point, push it up to half, now open the end cap and spray some body spray. You can also use propane or butane gas, which are flammable. To put it, make an angle what you want, click the light. At first time it was gone up to 100 to 150 feet. I hope you like this video. Friends, help me getting more subscribers. Please cross 1K subscribers. after this video. तो ऐसे ही कुछ अमेजिंग वीडियो मैं लाते रहूँगा हर 2 वीक्स में। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। अरे क्या कर रहे हो, और सब्सक्राइब करो, क्यों फ्री है, सब्सक्राइब कर दो।